Which Yorkshire coin tubing artistic channel has just hit 1,000 subscribers? Well, that would be MasterTemple's Treasures, obviously. Brilliant news, my fantastic friends. As I've just started recording this, news has come in that the channel has hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy. I just want to thank every single one of you. You all made this, from the guys that offer all the support, fantastic friends, brilliant subscribers, you know, family that have backed me into this as well. It's the whole lot. It's just brilliant, and I applaud every single one of you. And because we're there and the channel is nearly won, we're going to have a great giveaway at some point in the next week or so. So just stay around for that. You know, keep your eyes peeled for that. What I was reading then was this book, How Yorkshire Are You? And this is what my good mate Bungle sent me a few months back, and he saw that, thought of me, and he sent me something else. A box, and we know it's him because he's got one of his beautiful coin stickers on there, and his little drawing on that little corner there, which has become staple part of gifts and letters from Bungle. We've got a nice little house there, the chimney, happy little tree. I think these are seagulls, but there could be clouds. I'm not too sure on that. And then we've got a nice car there with a big old boy racery exhaust. Right, I've got rid of all the fine tunings of the Promised Land, and I said I don't want anything for it. I don't want anything for this Bungle, you know, for the decimal day. And he said, no, I've seen a little something. It's nothing much, just a little something, just to say thanks. So, and of course, he's got his PO box there. So it's Bungle Collects, PO Box 1077, Stockton. I think that's TS19 1ZA. I ought to know it off by heart now myself. Right, so I'm going to try and get into this, and I've got pen all. It won't come off. I'm going to have to use some of that special scrubbing stuff that artists use. If I knows any good artists out there that could. I am just so happy at the subs though. It's gone so well lately. And I've got a couple of special surprises coming up as well, which I'll inform you about in due course. Right, let's try and get into this without knocking everything all over and pulling the fluorescent green towel out of the way. In fact, if I just see, there, let's just get that. Be careful how close I'm pulling that towards myself. I'll get down this side. Yeah, I think we're in. No, I was wrong. You see, so we've got 1,000 subscribers before the channel's won. The decimal day, as promised. I made Bungle one, I kept one, and of course the third and final one will be going in the giveaway pot when it lands. I'm quite excited for that. You won't believe I could make such wonderful works of art, and I can't even open an envelope or a box. So here we go. What is? Look at this. MasterTemple. I thought he'd drawn that. Coin collector, artist. This is like the channel logo. Wow. Yes. And they must be the works of art, you know, the artist palette, and a smashing bloke. Oh, here we go. Put my reading teeth in. To our fantastic friend, thank you so much for our decimal day sculpture. We love it and are honoured to receive it and I can't wait to receive that other treat that you have in store for us. Shh, that's the secret, that Bungle. Yeah. So see you enclosed a small thank you and a Gumtree bargain that was found for you, that was inspired by one of your previous masterpieces. Take care and speak soon, Bungle. 2,781 subs. Bungle of Yorkshire. I've got a little surprise up my sleeve for Mr. Bungle there. So let's just get... Oh. I think that's... Bear with me, folks. So there goes this... Oh no, wait. I thought this was just packaging. But yep, we've got another sticker on. I was actually going to cut that sticker free and stick it somewhere on the pig. I'll keep that there. Just put that on the side. Snip, snip, snip. There we go. Oh yes! Another Taekwondo coin, amazing. And in a Bungle collects flip as well. That is perfect. The master. The master. Thanks, my friend. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay, so let's have a little look at this. I love getting post, but I hate getting into things. Should invest in some better scissors. Trouble is, if I invest in good scissors, I'm going to have to get my hair cut. I'll let the family cut my hair, and I don't particularly want to do that just yet. Right, we're in, folks, we're in. We're in. A little Gumtree find that was inspired by my recent work of art. Right, so it's a frame, so I assume it's a picture, but could it be a coin? It's an old frame as well, stuck down with this old tape. What they usually like to do, old artists, is take all this off and see what's actually behind the canvas, behind the works of art. I won't be doing that though. Oh, here we go, look at that. Look at that. Let's get it out of the light. Penny farthing. That is absolutely amazing. That is absolutely fantastic, Bungle. And Lady M. I do appreciate that. Of course, it's two works of art that I did in a weird way. I did a painting of inspired by something like this that we saw down at the Royal Mint. They had a picture. If I can find it, I'll pop the picture somewhere up here. And I painted the painting in watercolor, and it took absolutely ages for me to do. I mean, usually I can get a painting knocked out in half an hour, but the penny farthing, because it's watercolor, you've got to take extra care, and it's so intricate, and sometimes my hands just start doing whatever they want. It just was a difficult one, but we did it, and you can go back and view that video if you wish. And then that inspired again to make the penny farthing sculpture. In fact, wait there, I'll go get the sculpture. Right, folks, so that's the sculpture, if you can see. So just get... And we made this out of, obviously, a penny and a farthing, and we smashed the stone by hand, and a little bit of copper wire that we knocked into shape. We soldered it all together. So yeah, this was a good video that we made of August last year, and then obviously we did the decimal day statue. Bungle's got his version of this. So the up and coming giveaway, I've got a third one to give away. Anyway, less of that. Humble brags there. Oh, I'm just over at mum with that. That's brilliant. Thanks, Bungle. Thanks, Lady M. Thank you all, my fantastic friends. It's going great. It really is. So, yeah, I'm quite taken back by it all. But until next time, do take care of the sense. Stay safe, and as always, happy days.